What's up, everybody? Last July, we drove into Northern California and visited Sequoia National Park and Yosemite, two places that I'd never been before.
This is Bridalveil Falls and Yosemite. It's scenic AF.
After that, we ventured into Reno, Nevada for the first time. It's a city that reminded me a lot of a quiet version of Las Vegas. And from there, we drove into the desert and discovered the Middlegate Monster Burger Challenge at Middlegate Station. Here we are at Middlegate Station in Fallon, Nevada, and I'm going to take on the Monster Burger Challenge. With no fanfare, no BS, no Stalin. Let's just get down to it. So, if you've never been to Middlegate Station before, let's just say it really is in the middle of nowhere. It's along the US Highway 50, east of Reno, and this stretch of highway is sometimes called the loneliest road in America because of how isolated it is. You can drive along it for hundreds of miles in some stretches, and you'll see nothing but empty desert. So, in other words, you aren't going to find yourself trying this artsy-looking monster burger unless you really planned on being here. Now, I've known about it since I first started doing food challenges back in 2009, but there was really no reason for me to be anywhere near here. This past summer, though, we decided to check out Reno and the Lake Tahoe area, and it just seemed that a quick 80-mile detour for dinner wasn't such a bad idea. The Monster Burger looks impressive. It has the face of a monster thanks to the onion rings and the olives for eyes, a slice of tomato for a tongue, and peppercini for the nose. It's easily the coolest looking big burger I've ever seen up close. It looks great in pictures. It's not the biggest burger ever. It has about 20 ounces of beef that's split into two big patties, and it's got a middle bun. But it tastes great, and the burger has all the fixings that you expect a big burger to have. The beef is cooked perfectly. It doesn't feel like an overdone meatloaf. The sauces on the burger remind me of a Thousand Island dressing, and it all comes together very well. To win the challenge, you need to eat the burger and the side of fries, but all told, this couldn't be more than 4.5 pounds of food altogether. It will cost you $20, win or lose, but if you win, you get a Monster Burger t-shirt. There's no time limit on this challenge, so you can have fun with it. As a place, separate from the food, Middlegate Station is really interesting. It was probably a major fueling station along the road at one point, but today it's more of a fun tourist stop. The ceiling is covered in dollar bills, and there's tons of memorabilia plastered all over the walls. There's a little gift shop inside, and lots of old-time wooden decor. We had a good time eating here, and the people there were all really nice and easygoing. They could tell we were tourists, but they tolerated my camera shenanigans, and they thought it was pretty cool that eating here was on my bucket list. just gotta get their attention. Skin tight.
Congratulations.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Alrighty.
It was extremely flavorful. I like
Good.
the way the
No, it's
beef
a
was
good
cooked.
hamburger.
Yeah.
It's not like a, it's not a phony one.
No, it's really good. Thank you.
Thank you.
And boom goes the dynamite. The Middlegate Monster Burger was slain with haste, and to the victor goes a t-shirt and a heavy stomach. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one. We stopped by Lake Tahoe on our way home. That was another first time visit for us, and I rode a ski lift for the first time in my life. It's pretty fun. But never mind all that. I'll soon be working on my next food upload, an ice cream challenge with my buddy Bear. Till we eat again, stay in school, don't do drugs, and eat like a freak.